Hello viewers, in this video we are going to be taking a look at Inventa's all-new Lexa, the complete street LED light. It comes in 4 different wattages, 24, 36, 50 and 100 watt each. And it also comes in 2 different color options, warm white and cold white. Cold white pertaining to 6500 Kelvin and warm white at 3000 Kelvin each. We have a 36 watt LED street light with us right now. To find this product, you just need to search the product code that you can see right here, LEX36C, where C stands for cool white, where Y represents warm white. The 36 signifies the wattage. Now let's unbox this product and find what's inside. Inside the product lies a very slim and attractive light itself. Moving on to the product's features. This product comes with a heavy aluminum body with powder coated finish, and also it has high quality polycarbonate lenses. Now let's talk about the 6 kVA surge protection driver. This surge protection driver is spotted with silicon. This driver serves as a stabilizer, protecting the light high voltage fluctuations. And in case your light needs any repair, the company has given you 2-year warranty period as well. Furthermore, this product is rigorously tested for its high dust-proof, rust-proof and waterproof abilities and comes with a rating of IP66. This product also has BIS registration certification. Installing this product is as easy as it seems. You can install this product on any pipe ranging from 1.5 to 2 inches. Simply loosen the screws. Now insert the pipe and tighten this again. After complete installation, now it's time to see the light in action. Wow, the light emits a rich and royal glow and it's perfect for your space. Finally, we are at the end of this video. It's worth mentioning that all of Inventa's products are completely manufactured in India. Its mass manufacturing unit is currently present in Pallikaranai, Chennai. If you have any product related queries or you need assistance on replacement or warranty, don't hesitate to dial the toll-free number that is being displayed on the screen right now or reach out to us at support@inventa.in. Thanks for watching the video.